Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be learning how you can reset a game's data on Steam. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So the steps are going to be pretty simple. What you're going to be doing is that first of all you're going to be opening your Steam launcher and head over to the game that you want to reset. Now as you can see, currently I have V Rising in front of me, which I want to reset completely. Every mission that I've done, every progress that I made is needed to be deleted. So for that particular purpose, we're going to be performing few steps, so make sure you follow along and don't get yourself confused. So first of all, you're going to be simply heading over to the top left side of your screen, and here you can see the Steam. Simply click on that, and below you'll be able to see that we have this settings option. Simply click on this settings, and once you click on that, you will be directed towards this little window where you can see a lot of options are going on, but we are simply going to be heading over to this option called Cloud, which is below Storage and above In-game. So simply click on Cloud, and here you need to make sure that this particular option enables Steam Cloud, which says enable Steam Cloud synchronization for application which support it, is going to be enabled. You need to make sure that it is enabled. If this is disabled, you need to simply enable it. So yeah, that is going to be the first step. Now you're going to be closing this, and after that you're going to be simply heading over to this particular setting option. As you can see, so this is our game. You can see play, and right in front of that we can see the settings option. Click on this, and now we need to head over to properties, and here what we need to do is simply head over for our installed files. So click on installed files, and here you can see we have this option to browse, so it will be directing towards this storage where this particular game is installed. So you simply need to click on browse, and once you click on that, you'll be headed over to directory. The directory is now opened, and here we need to simply delete its saved file. They are going to be somewhere around here. So this is the server files. If you want to reset some server data as well, you can do that as well. So you're going to be simply deleting the save folder from here, and your progress will be deleted completely. So yeah, that is going to be a pretty simple process on how you can reset games data. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.